Windshields have gotten pretty expensive in the last 5 years. So, does my insurance pay for a windshield repair or replacement? And does this affect my rates? Hi, Tia here with Insurance Talk. So Bob in Salt Lake asked, if I use my insurance to replace my windshield, does it affect my rate? Hi Bob, great question. And this answer has changed in the last 5 to 6 years. It used to be a really simple answer. Comprehensive claims like replacing or repairing a windshield did not affect your insurance rates. But now the answer is more complicated and could not only increase your rates, but limit your eligibility with some insurance companies. So let's talk through the basics and then I'll provide you with some advice. First, what are the coverages that might apply to your windshield? Many insurance companies offer specific auto glass coverage, sometimes called full glass coverage, which may have a smaller deductible than your comprehensive deductible or no deductible at all, depending on the insurance policy. Full glass coverage can apply to both windshield chips or cracks and full windshield replacements, and may even extend to other windows on your car. Also, if you have comprehensive coverage, then you should be covered for glass repair, including a full windshield replacement. The difference is the comprehensive deductible would apply in this case. So if you had a $1,000 deductible, you would be responsible for the first $1,000 of repair. You might have a claim like this if your vehicle was vandalized or you had a hail claim. So let's wrap up the coverage discussion with another question. Doesn't state law mandate the insurance company to repair or replace my windshield when it's damaged, even if I don't have comprehensive coverage? Well, many state laws have changed in the last 10 years, and we're not aware of any state that mandates insurance companies to repair or replace your windshield unless you have full glass coverage, comprehensive coverage on that specific vehicle. As a side note, if someone else was at fault for an accident you're involved in, their insurance would be responsible for repairing your vehicle and windows. Okay, so let's talk about some tips on coverage. Windshields have gotten very expensive lately, sometimes costing $700, $1,500, and even $2,500 to replace. So if you have a windshield that's on the more expensive side, you should probably consider full glass coverage or carry a $500 deductible for your comprehensive coverage. And here's a real-world example. Safelite quoted a 2023 Toyota Sequoia's windshield for $1,644 to replace before taxes and fees. Wow, that's a lot, and this isn't even a factory windshield from Toyota, which would cost you around $2,400 to replace. So in this case, if you had a $500 comprehensive deductible on the Sequoia, you would be responsible for $500 and your insurance company would pay the $1,144 for the repair with Safelite. But if you had full glass coverage with a $100 deductible, you're only responsible for the $100. So we've covered a lot of ground so far, but still haven't answered the original question. If I use glass coverage for repairs or replacement of my windshield, will it affect my insurance rates? Well, remember, Trailstone works with more than 40 insurance companies, so I'll answer this question with a general answer, but not all of our insurance companies are the same. Okay, the big reveal. Yes, generally speaking, comprehensive claims like window claims will affect your insurance rates and may even make you uninsurable with some of the best insurance companies if you have too many comprehensive claims. I know, it doesn't seem fair, and you're right. Just 10 years ago, comprehensive claims weren't held against you, but underwriting models have changed, and this is no longer the case. So let's talk about comprehensive claims and what they are. They're claims that happen to your vehicle, like hail damage, hitting a deer, fire, towing, theft, and window claims like crack repair, rock chip repair, and windshield replacement. So what's the impact of having too many comprehensive claims? Well, we've seen underwriters in 2022 and 2023 deny insurance coverage because of just 3 comprehensive claims in 3 years, even if they're just a small rock chip repair. This is big news because for 50 years, comprehensive claims weren't held against you, but things are changing now. Well, all right, let's put this situation into context. We're still able to find an insurance policy for these clients, but the 3 $50 rock chip claims moved the client from an A tier to a B tier and increased the client's premium an extra $47 per month because they made these small comprehensive claims. So my advice to help keep your auto insurance as low as possible: 1, do not use windshield coverage for small claims like rock chips and crack repairs. These are small claims, but the frequency of the claims is killer here. 2, Dave Ramsey suggests higher deductibles for your insurance. He says not to use insurance as maintenance coverage, but to use insurance for more catastrophic claims, and I agree with Dave on this one. So I'd recommend using a $500 or $1,000 deductible for your comprehensive coverage. If you have $1,500 windshield, you would be responsible for the difference from your deductible for the cost. Yes, it's a bummer, but it might save you thousands of dollars yearly by taking care of this claim yourself. Number 3, for 2024 and 2025, skip the full glass coverage with a low deductible if your budget allows for it. We expect underwriting rules to change, but probably not until early 2025. And here's a bonus tip. This is a big one if you use towing or roadside assistance a lot. Do not, I repeat, do not purchase this coverage on your insurance policy. Roadside and towing count as comprehensive claims, and now we know it is not good to have too many comprehensive claims, right? So instead, purchase roadside coverage from Good Sam or AAA. It might cost a little bit more per year, but it'll help save you on your insurance overall. Well, we talked about a lot of things today, and I thought this would be a really short 1-minute video for you, but there's so much information to know and understand, and this information could potentially save you thousands of dollars. So I talked a little longer than planned. Sorry. Well, kind of. Because I hope this information really helps you. Our team here at Trailstone Insurance Group understands the current trends in the insurance market and the underwriting issues. So if you feel you need better advice and the best pricing available, please reach out for a quote. Remember, we do all the shopping for you, and there's never a cost for our service. Don't wait. Get a quote now. Until next time.